Once you have your title, the next thing that you want to do is optimize your description box. I'm going to scroll down to show you. It's right beneath the title, and this is still under your video manager tab. So you're going to add some very important elements inside the description box, which are going to make it much easier for you to be found by viewers. It's going to also increase the likelihood that YouTube shares your videos or recommends your video. So the first thing you want to add inside your description box is the URL of the site you want people to visit. This is important, and it should be the absolute first thing you put in this box, because once you add the URL in this description box, it becomes a live link. By that I mean that when people watch your video, they are going to notice there is a URL that is in blue, and when they hover over that URL, they're going to realize that it is clickable, and they're going to be able to click directly from the YouTube channel to your website. You want to add some text. You really only need a few lines. You just want to make sure that the copy that you add inside the description box is keyword rich and also obviously relevant to your video. This is not going to influence viewers that much because few people actually click on the box, but it will actually influence and help your videos, because obviously YouTube is going to be able to link the video to the title. And remember, we also optimize how we saved our video. All these elements play into increasing your ranking. So I have copy here, and so you could write it, or you can type it in, or you could write it in advance like I've done, and you're just going to place it right here. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like. I'm going to save. Once it's saved, I'm going to be able to go and take a look at the video. I'm going to click right here. I'm going to stop this. So as you can see here, as I explained to you, the link is a live link. That means that if people click on that link, they're going to be able to go directly to my site. That's why it's so important for you to have that as the first element inside the description box. Now, as you can see, there are only a few lines that YouTube show under the video. If people want to know more, they're going to have to click on the little show more button, and that basically allows them to read everything that you've written in that description box. So one thing to keep in mind is that very few people will click on the show more. They're just going to read the first few lines, and chances are what's going to influence them is really the title to watch that video. So this description, just add enough to put the video in context, and make sure that you add some keyword inside this description box, and that should definitely be a great start.